Hello everyone. This is MNG Money, CEO of the International Council for Education of People with Visual Impairment. We are happy that the ICEVI Math Made Easy YouTube channel is very much used by teachers and parents to teach mathematics to visually impaired children. As on today, there are more than 2,700 subscribers, and we are pleased that the instructional videos are helpful not only for teaching visually impaired students but all students that will facilitate effective inclusion in the mainstream settings. We once again thank the Nippon Foundation for supporting this initiative, which is making a big difference in the education of children with visual impairment. At present, there are 175 instructional videos organized in different playlists under the topics general concepts, numbers, trigonometry, geometry, inequalities, set algebra, etc., to name a few. And we have plans to add more videos into these playlists. We are anticipating the addition of another 300 to 400 videos before 2024, exclusively addressing concepts in mathematics ranging from primary to senior secondary levels. We are hopeful that the mastery of children in the mathematical concepts at the school level will definitely help them to pursue higher education courses in the STEM area, that is, selection of courses related to science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. In addition to the videos that we are preparing through ICEVI, we will be inviting similar instructional videos that have been prepared by teachers and experts around the world and will be posting those on the ICEVI Math Made Easy YouTube channel. In addition to these, we will also be carrying out a section on the ICEVI website where we will provide useful links on mathematics education for visually impaired children. These multi-pronged efforts are expected to popularize mathematics among visually impaired students so that their true inclusion will take place in mainstream education. Many teachers and visually impaired individuals who have used instructional videos have appealed to us that we should prepare a series of instructional videos on teaching abacus to visually impaired students. Though abacus is a great tool to improve the skills of visually impaired children in mathematics, its usage is very much limited due to lack of knowledge of teachers and teacher educators. In response to these wishes, we are going to present a series of videos on teaching abacus, and we expect that the number of videos on abacus alone will be more than 150. The videos on abacus will cover a wide range of topics, starting with the general concepts and other prerequisite skills that may be useful for the efficient learning of abacus operations. There will be exclusive exercises on addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division using the abacus. The exercises will not limit only to basic level of learning abacus operations, as we will be making videos explaining multiplication involving several digits, multiplication involving zero, long divisions, etc. The videos will also cover addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of decimals and fractions as well. There will be a special section dealing with the square root and percentage, and enough exercises will be available on how to use abacus for these operations. Under each topic, there will be multiple exercises involving all possibilities so that the learner is well equipped with the use of abacus. We hope this series will be helpful as we are making these videos as self-instructional tools. It is believed that the learners may not require an additional teacher to teach them abacus skills, and hope the instructions provided in the videos will be adequate enough to learn this very interesting area of mathematics. Happy learning, and we look forward to your feedback.